Alright, I'm doing a unboxing of the iPhone 16. I got two 16s and two 16 Pro Max. I ain't never done this before, so I'm just gonna jump to her. I'm filming this on a Motorola Stylus 25 or 24 model. So it's been a while since I had a good flagship phone. I do a lot of business on my phone, so I'm steady burning it up, hoping to get something that'll stick with us. So I know I don't want to hear nobody jaw jacking. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to her. All right. Let's see what we got here. The iPhone 16. Just unbox and see what we get. I had got 4 new lines for the business, so I'm hoping that these people at Verizon, do what they're supposed to do, and their service is great. All right. So, nothing really in it. Little, whatever, man. Warranty pad, charging cord, which they moved to the C charger now. Let's see, man. There ain't no headphones no more, no nothing. It looks decent. Kind of feels like any other iPhone I've ever seen or grabbed. See how this goes. While that's booting up, I'll go ahead and jump on one of these. I had already cracked these ones. And they didn't come with nothing extra neither. And this is the Max Pro. I mean, overall, the aesthetics looked real good. Yo, let's see what we got here. All right. And this goes right to the menu. They got a good feel, nice heavy quality weight. And if you're like me, you need that weight in there because I drop my phone like every day. And that's what took me away from Samsung, is the fact that they don't handle no drops at all. You drop it once, it's done. And last time I had an iPhone was the 7 model. And man, if I can't say, that was one of the greatest phones I've ever had. So shout out to Apple. Shout out to Verizon. I appreciate the phones on the business tip. And for those who don't know, Verizon does do loans, SBAs, all that. Check them out. I'm going to get these phones set up, and I'm going to run through them, and I'll post a second video, and I'll do it on the phone. Thank you, guys.